Hi, my name is Dave Martirana. I'm the lead developer of Multiplex, and I wanted to take a minute to show you some of the features we've built into Multiplex. When you first open Multiplex, one of two things will happen. If you have no imported DVDs on your computer, you'll be presented with this screen. This shows you a brief indication of how to begin cataloging your DVDs, or allows you to click a button to play with some sample media. If you do have DVDs on your computer, they'll be automatically recognized by Multiplex and put onto your screen. For instance, I'm going to simulate the completion of a DVD import by a program such as Rip It. As soon as the movie is on your computer, it will show up in Multiplex. However, you don't need to copy any movies to your computer. Multiplex can act as a physical DVD cataloging solution as well. Simply put a DVD into your computer's drive, and Multiplex will recognize it and add it to its collection. Once a movie has been recognized by Multiplex, it's added to your collection screen. However, it doesn't yet have any metadata associated with it, and so a minimal box cover with the title of the movie is displayed. When I hover my mouse over the movie, I get a little pop-out view that gives me information about the movie. A play button allows me to play the movie, and the ability to see more information on the movie. Clicking on the movie will open what we call the metadata drawer view. Because there's no metadata associated with this movie yet, Multiplex will automatically prompt you to search for metadata on the internet. You can cancel this process if you like and enter the information manually. Searching by the UPC is the most accurate way to get information on the metadata for the movie. In this case, we don't have the UPC, so we'll search by the title of the movie instead. You'll notice the title's already filled in for you. Simply click the search button, and Multiplex pulls down search results from the internet. You can go through the results and find the one that best matches your movie. We'll select this result. By clicking the Yes, This Is My Movie button, Multiplex will automatically fill in all of the metadata associated with that search result and bring it to the movie's information screen. The overview is comprised of some of the most useful metadata, including the running time, the rating, the movie's synopsis, and information about the cast and crew. All of this information is editable in the next tabs. The Description tab includes a full HTML WYSIWYG editor and allows you to edit the synopsis of the movie. You can change things like the text of the synopsis, and you can play around with the font as well, making things bold, underlined, changing the size of the font, and even doing things such as playing with the color. When you go back to the overview, you'll notice that this is instantly reflected. The Detail tab includes some of the more advanced metadata and the movie title as well. Things like the genre, production year, the user rating, which is a standard user star system, the premiere date, format, and running time are all held here. The Discs tab we'll talk about shortly, and the Cast and Crew tab is relatively self-explanatory. Once all of this metadata has been edited, it's combined and put into the overview. Finally, there's a small gear button that has several options. It allows you to search for the metadata again in case you selected the wrong movie the last time around or had manually entered information and would like to search for it. You can reveal the movie in the Finder and other options. The same menu is available by right-clicking on any movie in the box art view. Multiplex has the ability to group movies into sets. Many movies have more than a single disc, and Multiplex gives you the ability to manage those sets. For instance, we've imported 3 DVDs from the When We Left Earth series by the Discovery Channel. Notice that we've already found the metadata in the box art for the first disc, but doing so over and over again for subsequent discs doesn't make sense. Instead, we will add disc 2 and 3 to the first disc and create a virtual box set. In order to create sets, click on the main movie and open the metadata drawer view. Select the Discs tab to view the collection information. Since we haven't put together a set yet, a single disc is displayed. In order to place discs 2 and 3 of When We Left Earth into our set, simply drag the movies onto the Discs tab. Multiplex will add that movie to the box set. You can drag in as many discs as you like. More than likely, you'll want to rename the discs after you've added them to the collection, which is as simple as double-clicking on the disc title and editing the text. You can also get to this feature by right-clicking on the disk and using the associated context menu. Further, you can arrange disks in a set simply by dragging and dropping the disks in the Disk tab. Notice that the movie now has 3 disks, and the movie itself has a badge indicating that this movie has 3 discs. When you click play on the movie, it will bring you to the Disks tab automatically, so you can select which disc you would like to play. And if you created a set by accident, you can always use the context menu to pop a disc back out into its own movie. After importing other movies, we now have a decent collection. We've organized our content into sets where appropriate, and you'll notice that some of the box titles are dimmed. This means that the movies are unable to be played currently. This can happen if you detached an external USB drive where the movie was located, or if you remove the physical media for a movie. Searching your collection as it grows is very important. Searching in Multiplex is a piece of cake. Let's say I wanted to find the movie Kung Fu Panda. I would click on the search field and start typing. Each letter will bring movies forward that match the text until we're almost instantly left with one. Deleting text and then re-entering it will fly the movies back in and out. Although Multiplex was originally intended for managing DVD media, customer feedback made it clear Multiplex should be able to manage media of all types. Adding non-DVD movies to your collection is as easy as dragging and dropping them right into Multiplex. For instance, I have a copy of the movie Helvetica in MP4 format, which I downloaded from iTunes. I'll drag the movie into Multiplex, and it's instantly added. The workflow is identical. We can search for information about the movie, and when we click play, Multiplex will open the movie in the appropriate player. DVDs open in Apple's DVD player, and my MP4 will open in the chosen default application, in this case, QuickTime. Multiplex has the ability to be viewed in gorgeous full-screen mode, which you should take advantage of. And finally, I want to mention that we take user feedback very seriously, to the point of adding a big feedback button right inside of Multiplex. Clicking on it will allow you to see the most requested features, provide your own, and even allow you to file a bug report right from inside the application. We really hope you enjoy Multiplex, and encourage any feedback you may have. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and go enjoy Multiplex.